having bought and run large budgets for over 30 years, there are really two key principles that I think need to be brought to the foreground. And those are, you have to solve a problem, and there needs to be value. And people will find ways to pay for both of those. So Filecoin's an easy one when you're positioning the value: better, faster, cheaper, an enhanced way to store and recover data with some of the things that Stefan just alluded to. But when we position it and really tackle the perception piece of this, when we talk about it with customers as an alternative to hyperscalers or cloud storage providers, and the scalability that decentralized storage services bring to the table, that's where it gets complicated for a lot of reasons. And one of the main one being, it's too complex, right? It's very complicated today for somebody in the public sector or the enterprise sector to put their eggs into what they still view as a public blockchain. Even though we all know that the cryptographic hashes and being able to reclaim control and ownership of your data is a tremendous value, right? Especially with corporate audits and compliance activities, the data retrieval and lack of understanding around those costs are not very clear, right? We go to market saying price per terabyte and these type of things, but at the end of the day, it's about the total cost of ownership and the return on that investment underneath that data. So there's infrastructure, there's contracts, there's consolidation programs, there's migrations, and everything that goes along with moving a large data set to a new technology such as Filecoin. So for us, the other major issue is the skills, the talent, and the labor pool. A lot of that real good technology and capabilities are in this ecosystem, the Web3 ecosystem, the engineers, et cetera. But the target hasn't traditionally been the customer or the storage provider. And I think bridging that gap to make that easy to bring Filecoin as a service forward is the perception problem from what we see, at least on an anecdotal side. There's a lot of factual stuff out there.